See, in this question they have asked which of the following is a maltose, right? So if you have studied this biomolecules in detail, you can easily tell the structure of maltose. So let me draw something, let me explain you. Maltose is a disaccharide. Disaccharide. What is this disaccharide? Because this maltose on hydrolysis, on acidic hydrolysis, it will give two molecules of glucose. How many molecules of glucose? Two molecules. That too, two molecules will be alpha D glucose only. Alpha D glucose. So if we know the structure of alpha D glucose, then we can easily tell the structure of maltose. Since it is giving two molecules of glucose, so this is called as disaccharides. So disaccharides are the compounds on hydrolysis gives two monosaccharides. That is, two monosaccharides are alpha D glucose. If let me see the structure of alpha D glucose. So here glucose structure, I will draw it like this. It is a 6-membered ring. So we call it as pyranose, and here this is oxygen attached to first carbon. So this is my first carbon. Here let me draw the lines here. First carbon, second carbon, third, fourth and fifth, and here there will be sixth carbon. See, so this is my first carbon, this carbon is second carbon, this carbon is third, this carbon is fourth, this carbon is fifth, and here above I will be having CH2OH. So this is the sixth carbon. So for alpha D glucose, OH will be below like this. OH, OH, H, OH. Whenever OH is there, above we have to put H. Whenever OH is there, above we have to put H. Whenever H is there, above we have to put what? OH. In the same way, here OH is there, H. So this is one alpha D glucose. How many molecules we have got? Two. So let me draw other alpha D glucose like this. So it is simply like this. So now I will draw it little fast. So here it is like OH, OH, H, OH. And OH is there H, OH is there H. H means OH, OH means H. Always here H will be there. Always here H will be there. And above CH2 OH will be there. Right. So this much we know. Further what happens? So if two molecules, if I combine them, I will get the structure of what? Maltose. How to combine? So we know that OH form this, H form this. If I remove this as water molecule, I will get a glycosidic linkage. That is nothing but the structure of what? Maltose. So what should I get? So if I remove them, let me rub here only so that I can show it. So OH form here and H form here. So I have to get structure like this. Right. So this bond we call it as glycosidic bond. This bond we call it as glycosidic bond, which is present in carbohydrates, because maltose is a carbohydrates. So these things you have to read it very carefully so that you can easily solve NEET JEE problems, right? So here can we see? So here one 6-membered ring, here one 6-membered ring, both are alpha D glucose. See, this is also alpha D glucose, right? So let us check it whether. So here see, this is zigzag bond, so this is wrong option. See, here 6-membered ring is there, here 5-membered ring is there, so this is also wrong option. Here also zigzag bond is there, so this is also wrong option. So correct option is D, because see, here first carbon OH, here bond we have got glycosidic bond. Here OH is below H, OH, H, CH2H. Very good. OH, OH, H. Here yes, CH2H. So we can see that same structure we have got. So the correct option is D. Thank you.